Paint touch-ups are important in maintaining the long-term value of your home. This is a homeowner maintenance item and is very important to maintain the cosmetics of your home. Prior to any paint touch-ups, be sure to protect any surrounding areas with a drop cloth and make sure the area to be touched up is clean. Ensure that the paint is properly mixed prior to application. Not mixing the paint thoroughly can create variations in the paint color. Utilize a small brush or a roller to apply the paint. Be sure to use small amounts of paint at a time. It's easier to add paint than it is to remove it. Apply the paint to the area and feather it out in all directions until the brush or the roller is dry. This will assist in blending the current paint to the new application. And as always, be sure and allow 24 hours for the paint to cure.